Good morning, children. After the poem A Kite, today we are going to do exercise related to it. First, we'll start with new words. Here, the child imagine himself that if he wished to be a kite, he would blow up high up in the sky with the breeze, whichever way the breeze used to take it. So now we'll start with the new words. Number 1, OFTEN, often. OFTEN, often. Number 2, WISH, wish. WISH, wish. Wish means to wish something. If you wish, okay, today I wish that we can go for shopping or a garden to play. Wish to imagine something, to wish for something. 3, kite, KITE, kite. 4, SKY, sky. SKY, sky. 5, RIDE, ride. RIDE, ride. 6, UP, up. ON, up, on. UP, up. ON, up, on. 7, BREEZE, breeze. BREEZE, breeze. Number 8, CHANCE, chance. CHANCE, chance. Number 9, BLOW, blow. BLOW, blow. Blow means when you celebrate somebody's birthday, we put a candles on the cake, right? So before cutting the cake, we blow the candles. After that, we celebrate happy birthday and we cut the cake. So once again we will repeat, children. OFTEN, often. Number 2, WISH, wish. Number 3, KITE, kite. Number 4, SKY, sky. Number 5, RIDE, ride. Number 6, UP, up. ON, up, on. Number 7, BREEZE, breeze. BREEZE, breeze. Number 8, CHANCE, chance. CHANCE, chance. Number 9, blow. BLOW, blow. BLOW, blow. Now we'll go to the question answer part. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. Question 1. What does the child wish to be? WHAT, what. DOES, does. THE, the. CHILD, child. WISH, wish. TO, BE, what does the child wish to be? Answer 1. The child wishes to be a kite. What was the wish of the child? The wish of the child was to be a kite. Number 2. What does the child wish to do with the breeze? Number 2. What does the child wish to do with the breeze? Answer 2. The child wishes to ride upon the breeze. The child wishes to ride upon the breeze. Question 3. What are the different things that fly in the sky? What are the different things that fly in the sky? There are many things that can fly in the sky, like birds, aeroplane, helicopter, and kites. Which are the things that can fly in the sky? Yes, birds, aeroplane, helicopter and kites. 4 number. If you had wings, where would you fly? If you had wings, where would you fly? I wish to fly to all different directions. I wish to fly to all different directions. So once again we will read, children. Answer the following questions. What does the child wish to be? जो यहाँ पे छोटा सा बच्चा है वो क्या सोचता है, उसे क्या बनना है? सो द चाइल्ड विश टू बी ए काइट. उसकी विश क्या है कि वो एक पतंग बने. द चाइल्ड विश टू बी ए काइट. क्वेश्चन 2. व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड विश टू डू विद द ब्रीज? यहाँ पे जो छोटा सा बच्चा है वो जो हवा है उसके साथ वो क्या करना चाहता है, वो क्या विश करता है? द चाइल्ड विशेस टू राइड अपॉन द ब्रिज. इसकी ख्वाहिश क्या है कि वो राइड करे ब्रिज विद द ब्रिज, अपॉन द ब्रिज. द चाइल्ड विशेस टू राइड अपॉन द ब्रिज. क्वेश्चन 3. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट फ्लाई इन द स्काई? व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स? क्या चीज़ें हैं जो स्काई में फ्लाई कर सकते हैं? सो देर आर मैनी थिंग्स दैट कैन फ्लाई इन द स्काई. इन द स्काई में जो है वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. उनमें से है बर्ड्स, एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर एंड काइट्स दैट कैन फ्लाई इन द स्काई. क्वेश्चन 4. इफ़ यू हैड विंग्स वेयर वुड यू फ्लाई? अगर आपको पंख होते तो आप कहाँ पे उड़ते? तो आई विश टू फ्लाई टू ऑल डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. मेरी ख्वाहिश होती कि मैं हर एक डायरेक्शन में फ्लाई करूं. सो डियर चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द एक्सरसाइज. न्यू वर्ड्स एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. You have to write this in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.